For today's video, I wanted to do a garden tour. So for my garden, I have two 4x6 raised garden beds, and I want to show you what I planted. For this garden bed, I have 4 plants in here, 4 different types of plants. I have a row of lettuce that kind of got dispersed over there a little bit too, but this is all lettuce. And then this next row here are dwarf carrots, which I think will be really fun for June because they're just little carrots, and hopefully she'll be able to eat them by the time they're ready. Beets here, this whole row of beets. And then finally on this section, we've got strawberries, because the strawberries have lots of room so that hopefully they can just grow and take over, and we'll have lots of really yummy strawberries. What do you think, Bug? You gonna eat some yummy strawberries? Ooh, let's head over to the next box. Okay, so for this box, it is all leafy greens. So the leafy greens need a lot of spacing. I'm kind of crowding them a little bit, but hopefully it'll be okay. So this section right here, that goes kind of back and forth and zigzag. This section is the dwarf Siberian kale. And then right next to it, I have the Nero de Toscana, I don't know, kale. So I've got 2 sections of kale. And then over here is the gourmet salad blend. So it's gonna be lots of leafy greens grown in this box. And then finally, one last thing I haven't quite gotten around to, I have 4 tomato plants that I'm going to grow right along the fence over here so they have lots of room and full sun. And we'll be able to hopefully pick tomatoes off the vines and eat them. I'm really excited about this garden. I definitely am not a person with a green thumb, so I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to learn, and just hopefully we'll be able to grow some yummy veggies for our family. And June will hopefully be able to watch. Yeah, I just can picture her standing up, looking in the garden as I'm working in it. Who knows? She'll really be interested, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you have any gardening tips, please leave those down in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe because I put out a new video every week. And I'll see you next week. Bye.